how I have a bag packed for an overnight trip, packed to the full, and I can't fit my things anymore. So we're off! Yay! We're headed to Prince Edward County today, thanks to St. Ives! Yay. They're sending us on a girls trip, and it's like one last hurrah for the summer. And like we've been trying to plan cottage trips for how many years now?
That is accurate.
And it's never happened. So this is finally happening. And then the next step, guys, is camping. No. I went camping this summer, and then I'm camping again on Thanksgiving. So I'm very excited.
You missed it.
Oh. Sarah!
I know.
It says on the right. I didn't know which one though. There's so many rights.
Now it's on your left. Can you do that? Hey! And bend and snap.
Oh! Oh my god. Guys, you have to see the kitchen. Oh my god! The best yoga mats I've ever seen! Yo! For a deeper, so there's 3 levels of exfoliation. I know you guys use the apricot scrub, but I'm gonna have you guys try their sheet mask after because it's amazing. Oh my god! How cute! Pajamas! Are you gonna wear some guys? Hello! Oh my god! We're gonna do yoga.
Wait, I want to wash my face.
Yeah!
Yeah, quick. Okay.
Well, if you need to wipe your face, I have the perfect thing!
Oh, that feels nice. Let's see how much.
One arm and then extend. Heel upwards and push. Wow, Letitia. Look at it. Look at her go.
Alright, off we go. Off we go. Did you have to wear the thickest sock with the thinnest shoes?
I was up at 5 a.m.
They're practically leg warmers.
Can't be well with the next yard sale, right? There's some.
No way.
They had a sink there. They had a sink on one side, drain board on the other, in terrible condition. $350.
Yeah.
Nice, looks like
There's a cream insurance to go with it.
These
a little
briefcases?
polished.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god!
Stop stealing the spotlight.
Oh my god. Yeah, you're doing, this is the realest of the real. why you can't have nice things.
Do you know how hot girls get?
No, no, move. Here, hold this, 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 hold this. You're good, you're good, you're good. Oh my god.
Do you know why this girl is my friend? Do you know how fast she acted? And how slow she moved? I have slow reaction rates.
Does your skin feel elastic?
Yeah.
That's why I use those
Bouncy.
all the time. Bouncy, right?
Bouncy.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah. It means that it's hydrated. Hell yeah. Beautiful.
Perfect.
Oh no.
Okay, I love you guys.
Love you.
I'm not eating that.
Just kidding, you're coming with me. So thank you, St. Ives, for bringing us along on this cottage trip. We just had a blast and it was so nice to connect with the girls out in nature. And if you guys want to win your own ultimate boost of happy, enter in the giveaway in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye. And your stomach.
Oh my god, your eye.